Let's move on demo. Rotating text scrolling on 1088 AS LED matrix. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on embedded system. If you want to make any type of project, so please contact the contact info given in the video description. Thank you for watching. Hello friends, welcome to Embedded Garage. We provide training, consultancy and development programs ranging from student to professionals. We also carry out research work in the domain of artificial intelligence, signal processing, robotics, control system and online and offline training. We also produce educational videos for young generation to make them inspired for research career. We are working for helping students in 7 years. In this video, I am going to describe project rotating text on 1088 AS LED matrix using ESP32. In this project, rotating text print on LED matrix with animation effect. Now comes the component required in this. We have used 1088 AS LED matrix, ESP32, controller IC, power supply, battery. ESP32 is a controller IC. It is a highly integrated solution for high Wi-Fi and Bluetooth IoT application with around 20 external components. ESP32 integrates an antenna, switch, RF balloon, power amplifier, low noise receive amplifier, filters and power management modules. 1088 AS LED matrix is a row cathode column anode display. Row cathode means that the cathode of each LED is connected to a row. Trace column anode means that the anode of each LED is connected to a column trace. Some display are row anode, column cathode. Now come to the connection diagram. In this 1088 AS, VCC of this is connected to VCC of power supply and ground pin is connected to ground pin of power supply. Data in connected to 4 pin of ESP32 and CSS pin is connected to 13 pin of ESP32. Clock pin is connected to 12 pin of ESP32. We have powered power supply by this battery. Let's start coding part of this. We have used here 3 libraries. First one is mdparola.h, second one is mdparola mx72xs.h and third one is spi.h. Upper two libraries is used for you have functions for LED matrix and third one is used for serial communication. Now we have defined hardware type of mdparola. Now we have defined maximum number of device connected in a 80188 LED matrix. We have defined clock pin, now define data pin which is connected to 4 pin of ESP32. Now define CSS pin which is connected to GPIO 13 pin of ESP32. Now we have take a variable A of a string type in which we store JCB RO string. Now we take character We take array B of size 20 of character type. Now we take a variable P of MD Parola class. Now we have call MD Parola functions with these parameters. Now we have defined row and column values for Pac-Man animations. We have take a variable fpman1 and second one wpman1, and we have taken a matrix for Pac-Man animation. Now we have taken fpman2 and wpman2 variables in which we store row and column values for this matrix. Now we take Pac-Man 2 matrix for animation of ghost. Now we take now come to the setup parts. We have we give command serial.begin for serial communication on serial monitor. Now we take call p variable. Now come to the looping part. First we give in serial. Now we give command display text to display text on LED matrix. Now we take set split data function for animation of Pac-Man and ghost. Now we take serial.println command to display animate. Now we take delay of 20 millisecond. This is all about our project. I hope you liked all this. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and embedded system. If you want to make any type of project, so please contact us. Contact info given in the video description. Thank you.